This is Sean Henson for Video Diary for Sprint 2. So in the sprint we had to set up the baseline for the managers for the inputable, the draw, and the update. So let's first just start with the scene manager. This is kind of the base of where everything will spring from. So the scene manager is a singleton. Hopefully that has been implemented correctly after going through Piazza's helpful hints, and it should all be set up. So how it works is there's a draw function which will go through the draw tree, update current scene, which will go through the draw, the update scene, and also the inputable scene, inputable call. So my scene makes all the managers, the update manager, the draw manager, and eventually the inputable manager, which I did not get to during the sprint due to the fact that I had to do some recoding and dealing with a lot of linker errors and tracking down some bugs. So hopefully I'll be able to get to the input manager by tomorrow evening or this weekend. So my scene manager calls the update scene, which calls the scene updatable manager and then update all. So my update manager has a list called uregistry that holds all the updatable pointers to all the updatables, and an iterator which will go through them with a registry, deregister, and an updatable. So here's that quick little snippet of code for updating all of them. And then an updatable simply just calls updatable is updating item. Until a game object is made, this class is just kind of a placeholder, and game object just calls in all the classes to inherit from. So public, input, draw, and updatable are its parent's class. So if we go to the game, our little my test scene right here, I call it, where's that? So right here is my little block where I call all my content and load it, and it will all be displayed here. So the update registry has registered an inputable, the draw registry updated a draw, and then it updated the current scene, went through to, so the scene manager called update, the update manager is updating, the updatable is updating item, and then it is done. And then next was the draw, which the updatable, which the scene manager called. And the draw manager looks identical to the update manager, so to speak. And that ends this recording.